In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the color of an object from a photo using Canva. So first, you have to insert picture into your Canva document, and in this demonstration, I'm going to try to change the color of this flower from yellow into something else, maybe purple, maybe red. Let's see what we can do. Now, after that, after the picture has been inserted, you can click edit, and then you can go to the adjust menu, and then here sometimes Canva will automatically find the color, prominent colors from the picture, and you have the option to select on any of the color. For example, I can select yellow and I can change the color of this yellow part to be something else. You can do that by adjusting the slider on the hue section, and you can see that now the color is different and it looks pink now, and I think it looks really great. Although there is one caveat here, because if you actually look at the other elements, now these leaves used to be green. If you're changing the color of just yellow, now it's turning into something else. So that is probably not a perfect solution for this problem, although in some cases you can definitely use this method and it's actually very easy. If you want to be very specific, then we need a different method, and unfortunately we can isolate the color, so isolate the objects from a photo, so we can focus the editing on that specific objects. So let's go back to the image editing, and we need the AI tool called Magic Grab. So actually you can use that, but I highly recommend to create a duplicate, and then you want to place the duplicate on top of the previous original picture, and then you want to go to edit and click Magic Grab. It's basically going to make the whole result a lot better. Now there are two methods where you can isolate the object. There is a brush method, where you have to manually select the object like this, or you can also use the click method, where the AI will automatically find the object for you. And in this case, unfortunately, it doesn't isolate the yellow color automatically, so that means I have to use the brush method to select these colors, these flowers that are yellow, and then I'm going to edit them. And after we are isolating these colors, this object, and let's click grab. Okay, you don't have to do it perfectly, and AI will understand what's happening in the picture, and it will automatically correct your isolation or correct the brush, and then you can get this picture. So after that, now we got this area that is pretty much isolated from the actual picture, and I'm going to remove this picture. Let's right click, and by the way, this is the copy picture. As you can see, now there is no flower anymore, and you can click delete, and there you go. Now we have this picture and we have this picture. So this is the color that I'm going to change. Let's click edit, and let's go to adjust, and after that we can play around with the hue, or you can also select this color manually, and again it will be isolated. If you select the slider, now the color is different and it doesn't affect the rest of the image, which is something that we really want to have in this editing process. So let's try this color, and I think it looks pretty cool. Let's increase saturation so it looks more prominent, and I guess I'm going to increase the sharpness and clarity a bit. And there you go. Now we got a different color for a picture. Remember, it used to be like this, but now we got something that looks very different but also very interesting. So there you have it. That's how you can edit the color of from an object in a photo in Canva. If you want this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.